How to make a private story on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to make a private story on your Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Snapchat application by scrolling left or right, and after you find it, you have to tap on it. After tapping on the Snapchat application, your Snapchat will be launched. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to your profile like icon, and after that, now you have to just scroll down. Now, here in the option of My Stories, you can see the option of New Private Story. You can tap on that, and here by tapping on your best friends or any of your friends that you would like, you have to tap on them. And after tapping on this, now you can go to the option of Create the Story and then go to the option of Save. And after you tap on that, now you can create a story and then add it to your private story. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.